Oh, dear students, I'm continuing the previous session. So there we discussing acidic nature of carboxylic acid with the help of inductive effect. Okay. So again, I would like to discuss the basics again. So now let us see carboxylic acid. If some students not able to understand the concept, okay. So let us consider this is the carboxylic acid. Okay, here acid is a substance which gives H plus ion. Here carboxylic acid is an acid, it gives H plus ion. Why it gives H plus ion? You just look at the structure of carboxylic acid here. Okay, here oxygen is highly electronegative. That's why it takes the electron towards it. As a result, so it gives H plus ion. Okay, so here we are going to classify the acid into strong acid and weak acid. Okay, strong acid means what? It releases the H plus ion at higher rate. Okay, weak acid means the rate of release of proton H plus ion is less. So based on the rate, we are going to call as strong acid and weak acid. Okay, and the release of H plus ion is depends on the movement of electron towards left side, that is away from this hydrogen. So this movement is depends on what? This R group. Okay, suppose this R group is electron, okay, withdrawing. Electron withdrawing means what? It create minus I effect. Okay, so if it is electron withdrawing, so electron, okay, electron move, the movement of electron towards left side is more, okay, at higher rate, and H plus ion released at a stronger rate, and it becomes strong acid. It becomes strong acid. Okay, but if electron release, if R is electron releasing group, you just think R is electron releasing group. Okay, if R is electron releasing, so at that moment, so it's going to create plus I effect, and so this the movement of electron towards left side, okay, it's suppressed. The rate is less. As a result, the release of proton is also less. At that moment, okay, the carboxylic acid becomes weak. So this is the concept we discussed. Everything is depends on this R group, my dear students. This R group is depends, okay, electron, okay, the electron withdrawing nature of a substance is again depends on electronegativity. Electronegativity. If R is more electronegative, so more will be the movement of electron towards left side, and more will be the movement of H plus ion. That is, so more is the strength. You just observe these acids. Okay, you observe the structure carefully, my dear student. So this is acetic acid, CH3, COOH. So this is chloroacetic acid, one chlorine is present, and this is dichloroacetic acid, and this is trichloroacetic acid. There are 3 chlorine atoms are present here. So now you think which one is strong acid, and try to give the reason. So here there are no chlorine atom, and so if you move right, the chlorine atoms increases. You know, chlorine is more electronegative. That is, so the inductive effect is depends on the minus A effect is depends on what? Electron, number of electron withdrawing groups. So here number of electron withdrawing groups are increases. That is, number of chlorine atoms are increases. That is, it has 3 chlorine atoms. So strongly electron move towards left side. As a result, okay, this H plus ion releases so quickly, and this is strong acid. And so trichloro is stronger than dichloroacetic acid, than monochloroacetic acid, than acetic acid. It's very simple, dear student. You just look at the acid and you just count the number of electron withdrawing group. If number of electron withdrawing groups are more, so the acidic strength is increases. That is, acidic strength, it is proportional to the number of electron releasing group. Okay, that is, the acidic strength depends on electronegativity, and number of electronegative groups. Okay, so now let us see another example. See this example, dear students. You see, so these are all carboxylic acid. Okay, these are all carboxylic acid. Okay, for example, this is the first carbon. Why? Because this is the functional group carbon. That's why I am going to give this is first carbon and this is second carbon. Okay, because we know that in nomenclature, before going to write the name of the compound, so we are going to numbering the carbon. Okay, there are 5 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just observe the structure. So here, in this case, the chlorine present at the first position. In the second case, chlorine present at the second one. Okay, sorry, here chlorine attached to second carbon. Here chlorine attached to third carbon. This is the third carbon atom. And in this case, chlorine attached to fourth carbon. And in this case, the chlorine attached to fifth carbon. You just, okay, this all the 4 molecules are same, but the only thing is the attachment of chlorine is different. That is, chlorine present at a different position. Along with that, here, okay, here this H is a acidic proton, and in this case what happened? So chlorine is nearer. Okay, and in this case chlorine is too far from this functional group. So which one is the strong acid here? Just think over it. So my dear student, so while discussing inductive effect, I said that the effect diminishes if we moving away from a substituent group. Okay, for example, so here substituent group is nearer to this group, but here substituent group is too far, okay, from this functional group. So here, so when OH bond electron must be moved towards left side, and H plus ion is releases. Here also releases, but here so quickly releases because the substituent group is nearer, and that's why inductive effect will be more, because the inductive effect is depends on the distance between substituent group and carbon atom here. So the substituent group is nearer, that's why inductive effect is more, that's why it is strong acid. And here the substituent group present in the 5th position. Okay, that's why so inductive effect is less, and that's why it is weak acid. That is, closer the electronegative atom to hydrogen, stronger will be the acid, because that so quickly it is released. Because because so quickly it takes the electron. But here it's very difficult to take the electron from ear to ear. Okay, that's why this is slowly releases, it is fastly releases, and this is strong acid. Okay, what is the name of this acid? Just write the name of this compound. So there 1, 2, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, name the compound. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is an acid. So while numbering we have to consider this one also. Okay, so this is pentanoic acid. So this is pentanoic acid. This is 2-chloropentanoic acid, 3-chloro, 4-chloro and 5-chloro. Among these, 2-chloro is strong acid and 5-chloro is weak acid in nature. And you just look at this series. So dear students, here I have mentioned 3 series of acids. Okay, this is for the homework. Take it very seriously. Dear student, I will give one instruction that I am going to create separate WhatsApp group for chemistry students. In that, I am going to assign some homework, that is some assignment I am going to give. In that, you have to write the answer and you have to upload the photocopy to that WhatsApp group. Okay, so there your WhatsApp group, if somebody is wrong, so you can correct them. Okay, otherwise I will correct them. Okay, that's why you please follow that. And this is the homework. Okay, take this slide and write all the compound which is present in this slide and note down all the things. So here I already here different acids are mentioned. Okay, so here nitro group is present, nitrostick acid, fluorostick acid, chlorostick acid, okay, bromostick acid. So various acids are present here. So here also list of acids are there. So you have to, okay, let us take, this is question number 1, this is question number 2, and this is question number 2. Okay, here acids are already arranged based on their acidic strength. Okay, this is strong acid and this is weak acid. Okay, so you have to give the reason, okay, why this is strong and why this is weak. Okay, explain the reason behind the arrangement of the above acids. Okay, similarly here also, here fluorine, trifluoro, trichloro, tribromo, triiodo. So this is the order of arranging the acid. So you have to give the reason. Okay, take a pen and paper and solve this and upload your answer to the WhatsApp group. So today I am going to send the WhatsApp separate chemistry WhatsApp link to the group which is already created. Okay, just by clicking the WhatsApp link you can join the new chemistry WhatsApp group. So in that WhatsApp group you have to upload your answers. Okay, just take the photo of that answer sheet and just upload it. Okay, so the purpose of creating that group is in order to create a platform for the student for discussion. Okay, for example, today I am going to assign one homework. Okay, one student, okay, going to put his answer. Suppose his answer is wrong, you can give the correct answer. You can give the justification. You can send the audio link. You can write the answer and send. So these are so many ways you can interact with your friends and you can interact with me also. That's why please utilize that platform and join that WhatsApp group. Okay, and active in that group. Okay, so I am going to so this is stop at this stage. So this is the acidic, like this we can goes on discussing by taking several acids. Okay, so dear students, whatever the thing which you have discussed, if you really understood, you have to apply the concepts on these set of acids and so try to give the answers. Thank you.